The IB Diploma program is a very academically challenging program, but it's not only limited to academic achievements of the students.
Each student will go through their own decision process of what they want to study and where they want to go. And we help them and their families through this process.
At Park Lane International School, we strive to develop students holistically. That means that they choose their 6 subjects they study in classrooms, but also they engage themselves in physical activities, they volunteer to work with people in need, they foster their creativity and many other things.
All students, through their IGCSE and IB subject choices, are supported for their university destinations and career exit plans.
Typically, students collaborate among each other, but also with teachers, because teachers in our school, they are not just teachers, but they are partners, and they help students throughout the whole 2 years course of study.
Park Lane graduates are successfully studying all around the world, from UC colleges in California to Ivy League universities in the USA.
IB at Park Lane International School is a very inclusive program, and it's open for everybody who is ready for challenges that the nowadays world represents.
The International Baccalaureate Diploma is excellent preparation for our students to study anywhere in the world or closer to home. Please see the school website for further information.